Project Manager Brand Communication at Rock Drilling Tools. With me today I have two very special guests. I'm going to let you introduce yourself. Do you want to start?
Yeah, I'm Fredrik Ransell. I'm working as a Product Portfolio Manager in Rock Drilling Tools.
And I am Alexander Beronius, Engineering Product Manager for Top Hammer equipment.
These two are here today to talk us through the products that we have in front of us. And actually, I'm going to let you, Fredrik, explain. What is it that we're looking at here?
Yeah, the products we have here in front of us is the Top Hammer retrac assortment that is ranging from 51 millimeter, 54, 57, and all the way up to 64 millimeter.
Yeah, and I'm going to actually let the two of you go into more details in a bit, but Alexander, why have we developed these products?
The main reason is that the previous assortment was reaching its limit in lifetime and performance with the new machines that are available today.
Yeah. Okay, great. And again, I'm going to let you go into more details in a bit. But Fredrik, just shortly, if you want to give people watching here, what are the three main benefits?
Yeah, the three main benefits I would say is the increased service life and the grinding interval. Also the rate of penetration will be improved, and also the straightness you get when you're using these bits.
Okay, great. And this is why we have them here, and we're going to start with the first main benefit and go into more details. Who wants to start? Fredrik, do you want to start?
Yeah, so again, service life and increased regrinding interval. That is of course something that is very important for our customers. We know that if we have longer service life, that will increase the overall productivity. It also is improving the safety aspects, the environmental footprint, etc. And the reason why we get increased service life from the carbide and the inserts themselves. Can you explain a bit more, Alexander, what we have done?
Yeah, I mean, normally it's a compromise between life and penetration rate due to the size of the inserts. But we have our unique shape of the button that we call trubbnos, which maximizes the wear volume against the diameter wear at the same time as you have a low contact area with the rock. So you get the best of both worlds.
Yeah. Which I'm assuming our customers are loving when they've been testing it, or?
Yes. We started with this on our surface range a couple of years ago, and it has been a real success.
Yeah.
And in addition to the actual shape, have we done anything with the grade as well when it comes to the inserts?
Yeah, we have what we call our premium grade of carbide now.
Yeah.
So that is both harder and tougher than the old grade.
Yeah. Great, thank you. A lot of details there. I think we move on to the second benefit.
Yeah, so the first one about service life, the second one is about the rate of penetration, and like Alexander touched a bit upon it, if we look at the trubbnos shape, as Alexander said, it's kind of taking the best advantages of one semi-ballistic and a spherical, so you get that robust but still aggressive shape of the insert. So yeah, that will help us to have a higher rate of penetration.
Have we done any tests? Can you give us any numbers? What have the customers been saying?
Usually you see that up to the first regrind you can get up to 50% longer life, but then with the amount of regrinds that goes down a bit, so the total it's about 20% in the end.
But that's still a good number. I'm assuming the customers are quite happy with that. Yeah. Yeah. Great. Okay, that takes us to the final and third main benefit.
Yeah.
You want to take that one, Fredrik?
Yeah, so if we move on from the inserts, we have this beautiful bit body as well, and that one is bringing a lot of competitive advantage. So when you talk about a quality hole, that is all about drilling a straight hole. And what we have done here, maybe you, Alexander, can explain why do we get straighter holes using this assortment?
Due to the the ability to better keep the diameter, we have been able to put a tighter match between the head diameter and the guide diameter. So that will keep the hole straighter for a longer time.
And also a quality hole, since the carbides is going to last so long. We don't want the bit body to break before the carbide. So have we done any changes to the body so the body becomes more robust as well?
Yeah, we have introduced our new steel type that we did on the surface range as well a couple of years ago. So the body itself is harder and tougher. Okay. So it will reduce the amount of breakage in the body. And we have also optimized the internal geometry of the bit.
Yeah, and like you said in the beginning as well, why we developed this new assortment. We know that the Epiroc drill rigs, they become more powerful each year. The rock drills we have there is best in the market, so that is why we saw the need to make the bit bodies more robust as well. So if you have an Epiroc drill rig, it's very natural. If you want to use that full force from the Epiroc drill rig, then these are the bits to go for.
Okay, great. Thank you, both of you. There you have it. Those are the three main benefits. I think, quickly, Fredrik, do you want to just do a short recap on the three main benefits, what they are?
So first one, overall service life, the regrind interval. Secondly, the rate of penetration. And third, hole quality. You get the straight holes and the bit bodies will last long.
Yeah, perfect. Thank you. Is there anything else you want to add about it? We've gone through the three main benefits. You mentioned a bit about the rigs.
Yeah.
Anything else, Alexander?
I can take the opportunity to mention that we have spent a lot of time optimizing the flushing configuration for all different applications.
And maybe we could elaborate a bit on why would you actually choose a bit design that have this retract feature, because we have different kind of bits. So maybe Alexander, you want to explain when should a customer actually benefit from this retract itself?
The main reason is when you have troubles on rock, that you have problem to retract the drill string from the hole.
Yeah.
And these teeth helps you to shovel the rock debris out of the way so you can easier pull it out.
Okay, perfect. Thank you, both of you, and thank you everyone for watching. The team is here if any customers have any questions, but for now we'll say goodbye. Thank you so much for coming.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.